Hello and welcome everyone. This is Sushmita again, and today we are going to talk about some of the facts about the QA program which we offer. So let's see what are the attractions we have. Objective. What is the objective of this course? As it explains, okay, so what is testing? What is not about testing? All these things about the software development we are going to talk about. Then what are the basic terminologies, basic terms which we need to be aware of? What are the testing mindset, how we apply the basic concepts of the test throughout the planning, how do we go ahead and proceed with the test scripts, and what are the ways to execute that test script. We also trying to explain you what are the importance of the documentation, which we have to do it throughout the test result phase, where we are going to execute the test cases and capture the final outcome of the test case, which is called as. Now, as you see here, there are a lot of bullet points, but when it comes down to understanding each and every one, then it's quite easy for you. So we simplify the things in such a way so that it makes more attractive and more meaningful, so that you can understand the world, the QA world, in a more easy manner. Testing overview, what exactly the testing is, why do we do the testing, and how do we do the testing. On the other hand, if there are any principle, yes, there are principles which we need to understand from the QA perspective. What is the limitation of the software testing? What is the psychology of the testing? What is the verification and the validation process? How do we write the test cases? What are the different terminologies, industry specific, which we need to be aware of as part of a QA, as part of our day-to-day job as a tester. What is the objective of the testing? Why do we do the testing? Okay, then we try to elaborate on the differences between the defect, bug, and the error. What are these things? Okay, these are very commonly used terms from the QA perspective. What are the quality measures like ISO, Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma, CMM Levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? All these things we go on and discuss in detail to make sure we understand all the different aspects of the quality assurance. How testing is conducted. As we see here, there are so many ways to understand that. It's very important that first we understand the user requirement, the artifacts which are elaborated in the technical requirement document or the design document. Try to understand the objective of the technical requirement or the design, and on the other hand, we need to understand the functionality also in a better way to make sure we are aware of what exactly that we are going to do it as part of writing the test cases, how the company's internal structure is, how the complete architecture of the application is, considering the design what we have, how the code is executing it, so that we understand the overall flow of the code, so that it is easier for us while writing. Course, what are the topics? What are the some of the topics? I would say not everything, so it's not a concrete list what you see over here. So what are the different topics which are key factors for the trainers to be aware of as part of this training? These are some of the things which you should be aware of as part of a manual testing. So as you see, it's a quality, CMM level, Six Sigma. Again, we have testing classification, what kind of a testing, as we see, functional, performance, security, what are these different type of testing. Then there is something called software development life cycle, or you can call it as a system development life cycle, which is the SDLC. So there is an assurance that there will be a question considering the SDLC, considering the system development life cycle, because this is a very important topic. As part of a BA or QA, you must be aware of the different models which are widely used by the industry. There are some models like WaterFall, Prototype, Fish model, V model. V model is something which very commonly used as part of a QA day-to-day work. Now, on the other hand, you have something as client-server architecture. Now, as you understand client service architecture, there are so many different type of architectures, like 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tiers, n tiers, n tier, n represents of a variable number. So this is exactly what you need to understand to make sure you are aware of each and every part of the testing term. Now, towards the end, what do we offer? Towards the end, we help you, we work with you on the side by side to make sure that resume which you have is a very professional resume. So you will be provided some sample of 10 to 15 resumes where you can go ahead and inline your profile according to that. Our professionals are going to help you in the preparation. They will provide you the preparation tip. On the other hand, what you are reviewing on the sample resume. So it's a full package which you are trying to get into to enhance your skills, to enhance your profile, to enhance your overall personality to get a job, and that's what you are looking. So the goal over here is to make sure to enable you for the interview purpose. Now that is the final success. That's what we consider. Now mock-up interview, interview preparation tip, sample interview questions, how to clear an interview. The key over here is we will let you go ahead and make yourself a very professional in terms of how to give an interview. All these tips are going to help you showcase your strength over your weaknesses. And by doing that, there are high number of chances, there is a high percentage of chances that you are going to qualify your interview. From the interviewer perspective, what they are looking for, they are looking for the person who is technically sound, the skills wise they are pretty good, and also they are looking for the people who can talk and who have some X factor. The interview preparation tip is going to give you that X factor which is lacking right now on your profile, in your personality, and that's where you are challenged with. Moving towards the end, if you have any question, please reach out to us on www.adiox.com/adioxblog. It's an open forum where you can just ask the questions and the experts will respond back to you. For further questions, if you want to call us, please call us at 848-200-0448. You can also write to us at info@adiox.com. For more information, please visit us at www.adiox.com. That's it pretty much for today. Once again, thank you everyone. Have a good one.